In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Ben 10 Arrival of Aliens on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can join the Ben 10 Arrival of Aliens experience on Roblox. So, in order to join, all that you have to do is use the search function and look for Ben 10 Arrival of Aliens. Now in here you are going to see a bunch of experiences available. The one that seemed the most popular back in the day was this one, Drone GP AOA, made by Arrival of Aliens. As you can see, it has 55 million visits, but it seems like it died out, and nowadays it doesn't get a lot of players. So if you prefer, you can join one of these other ones here. So you have Untitled Alien Game, Ben 10 Universal Collision, and so on, and you can even find different Ben 10 experiences. But if you want to join that one specifically, then like I said, go ahead, look for AOA or Arrival of Aliens and choose the option to join. Once you load in, you will be able to play. So like I said, it seems like it doesn't receive a lot of updates, but you will be able to see all of the skills that you have. You can change the primary, secondary. You can see the owner here if you want to follow his Twitter, and you will be able to get more information about it. Now, there isn't much to do in the experience. You will be able to change the colors of your Omnitrix here. You can definitely see it on my arm. And you will be able to walk around and explore. But besides this, there's not much else to do. Like I said before, you might enjoy one of the other experiences more that receive a lot of players. So I hope I was able to help you. Before I end this video, I want to highlight that when I was checking the channel metrics, I noticed that 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality Roblox videos, including this one, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.